The AI revolution is here. AI agents are about to start replacing entire teams. Google search is slowly dying. The world is about to change forever, but we don't want you to be left behind. So in this video, we're going to break down the 8 simple steps anyone can follow to take advantage of this rare window of opportunity, and how you can use these exact same steps to build wealth with AI, even if you're starting from scratch. Step 1. Pick the right industry. Before you can start making money with AI, you need to pick the right industry. We've seen major shifts in the tech world, from the internet boom to Web 2.0 to the mobile era. But what's happening now with AI feels even bigger. This moment is different. What many people did wrong in previous tech revolutions was simple. They picked the wrong industry. The truth is, the best industries to apply AI in are usually the boring ones, the ones that aren't flashy, the ones no one's tweeting about. Because in life and in tech, the key is to focus on what's true, not what's just new. Being too early or too advanced is just as risky as being too late. So here are 5 industries that are perfectly positioned for AI innovation, and you can get into them today. Number 1, supply chain. Think about the logistics behind anything getting delivered. Most people don't even shop in stores anymore. It's all online, and that means huge back-end challenges, like forecasting demand route optimization, inventory management delivery coordination. All of these areas are being reimagined, and AI can solve massive inefficiencies here. Number 2, admin work. This is where AI is already starting to gain traction, but we've barely scratched the surface. Tasks like billing, scheduling, data entry, sorting and organizing documents. Navigating systems like Dropbox, Notion, or HubSpot AI can automate all of it, and businesses are willing to pay to make that happen. Third is home services. Think roofing, plumbing, HVAC, electrical, any job that sends a truck to your house. Each visit requires routing, quotes, scheduling, parts inventory, follow-ups, billing. If AI can help streamline any part of that process, you're entering a trillion-dollar industry with huge upside. Number 4 is legal services. One of the first things people try with ChatGPT? Contracts, reviewing drafting, spotting missing clauses. Writing legal language AI tools are already helping people become 10 times faster with legal docs, and companies that create full legal workflows powered by AI, they'll be printing money. Number 5 is team training. This is one of the most exciting areas. Imagine every company has its own internal AI. It joins Zoom calls. It onboards new employees. It explains SOPs. It answers team questions in real time. This AI becomes your company brain. Companies are going to spend a fortune to build this, and if you help them do it, you're in. Now that you've picked your industry, it's time for the most important business decision you'll make: choosing a high-margin model. Margins are your moat. They give you room to grow, reinvest, and stay ahead of competition. Low-margin businesses? That's a trap. If you sell something for 100 rupees and it costs you 80 tunes, that's just 20 pen in profit. You have to work 10 times harder to scale compared to someone making 80 pen on the same sale. So, what are the best high-margin AI business models for 2025? These 4 models give you crazy leverage with AI and high profit margins to match. 1. AI services, 70% margin. This is where you help businesses automate their workflows using tools like Zapier, Make, Gumloop, Notion Plus GPT, Airtable automations. Think of it like building AI-powered systems for businesses that want to scale and charging them to do it. You're not just saving them time, you're increasing their revenue. That's why margins here are strong. 2. AI consulting, 80% margin. This is more hands-on. You're not just building systems, you're guiding strategy. Most companies don't know how to adopt AI. They're stuck, confused, and falling behind. So, they pay consultants to help them spot opportunities, build AI-first workflows, avoid waste, stay ahead of competitors. If you know how to guide these businesses, you'll never run out of demand. 3. AI software, 90% margin. This is the big one. You build a tool once, then sell it repeatedly, like an AI dashboard, a lead generation tool, a financial analyzer, a niche workflow solution powered by GPT or Claude. Today's AI tools are often text-based, voice-based, or even invisible, powered entirely in the back end. There's no need for fancy UIs, just fast results. If you can figure out a process and automate it with AI, you can build a lean, powerful software product with massive upside and almost no cost of delivery. Number 4 is AI digital products, approximately 95% margin. This is where it gets wild. You build an AI-powered template, prompt pack, course, or tool once, and then sell it 1,000 times. Your only cost? Hosting and maybe some email tools. People are building mini empires just selling AI prompt libraries, mini courses, automation templates, AI for marketing packs, guides for specific industries. This is the lowest effort, highest margin option. And if you pair it with a personal brand or community, it compounds fast. So you've picked the right industry. You've got your high margin model. Now comes the game changer. Sell to rich clients. Dan Kennedy, the legendary marketer, once said, "It's easier to make $1 million selling to millionaires than selling to everyone else." And it's absolutely true. If you're trying to sell AI services or products, don't go chasing broke startups. Focus on established businesses in boring industries that are already making millions and want to get more efficient. So here are 5 powerful strategies to reach these kinds of clients. And the last one will surprise you. First, industry-specific events. If your ideal clients are in legal, logistics, or home services, they're going to be at niche industry events. You have 2 options: attend and network, or better yet, help organize or volunteer. That's the fastest way to get into private rooms, speaker green rooms, and build relationships with decision makers. And in many cases, being the one who helps out gives you more credibility than being a random attendee. Second, hyper-personalized outreach. Generic emails won't work in this market. Rich clients are busy. They need to feel like you actually understand them. Write emails like this: "Hey, I know this is a cold message, but I noticed you're doing some amazing work in. I had an idea on how AI could potentially help your team save 10+ hours per week. Would love to show you what I've been working on." The more personalized the message, the more likely they'll open, respond, and say, "Okay, tell me more." Third, podcast interview strategy. This is a game changer, and it's not about becoming a podcast influencer. Instead, use a podcast or interview series as a networking tool. Invite your dream clients onto your show to talk about what they're doing. This gives you a warm reason to contact them, and once they're on the call, they'll ask you what you do. Boom. Soft pitch. Oh, wow. You help companies integrate AI into their back office systems? That's exactly what we've been struggling with. Relationship built, leads generated. Fourth is host small virtual meetups. Every week, create a simple Zoom roundtable for people in your niche. Message them on LinkedIn or X. "Hey, I'm doing a small AI industry mastermind for industry. We just jump on Zoom and share insights. Would love to have you." People love talking to other people like them, and if you're the one organizing it, you become the center of the network. And last, fifth one is founders' dinners and themed events. This one feels exclusive, because it is. Let's say you're traveling to a major city. Just host a small dinner for founders, execs, or operators in your niche, and keep the theme AI-focused. Even a group of 4 to 6 people at a table builds deeper trust than weeks of cold email. Use Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or industry groups to invite them. Break bread, share ideas, build partnerships. So now margins are great, rich clients are better, but none of that matters if your cash flow is broken. Most people focus on revenue or profit, but in business, the real game is cash. Revenue is vanity, profit is sanity, but cash flow is your vitality. You need to structure your offer so that clients pay you upfront, fund your growth, and never leave you scrambling. Let's break down how to do that step by step. 1. Anchor pricing. Use this trick. It changes everything. Have 3 tiers in your offer. Make the top tier 3 to 5 times more expensive than your middle tier. Why? Because it makes your other offers look cheap by comparison. This is known as price anchoring. and it works like magic. For example, if you're selling AI consulting and your basic offer is 50,000 rupees, your premium should be 2 to 2.5 lakh rupees. It makes the 50,000 rupee package feel like a no-brainer. 2. Real scarcity. Don't be shy to say, "We only take 5 new clients per month." That urgency helps them decide now, not later. Even better, tell them they need to put a deposit to lock in their spot. Scarcity makes them move. Deposits give you cash upfront. 3. Offer a valuable bonus. Here's the trick most people miss. Your bonus should solve the next problem they're going to face after you help them. Example: you help them build an AI agent. What's next? Their team needs training. So your bonus? Free team training for 30 days. That's how you create stacked value that feels impossible to say no to. Pro tip: your bonus should feel more valuable than the core offer itself. 4. Volume pricing, not discounts. This isn't about slashing prices. It's about incentivizing bigger deals. If they buy 1 year of service, great. But if they prepay 2 or 3 years, offer them a deal. Or if you're selling seats for AI software, 1 seat is X dollars, but buy 100 seats and we'll give you volume pricing. It's not about lowering prices. It's about getting more cash up front so you can fuel your business. Most people build the wrong product. They sit in silence, code for months, launch it, and hear crickets. Here's the truth. No idea survives first contact with the customer. That's why you should always pre-sell your AI solution before you build a single feature. This way, you only build what people are actually willing to pay for. And even better, they'll fund your product development up front. Here's how to do it step by step. 1. Prototype. You don't need a finished product. You just need a clear mock-up or simulation of what it'll do. Use tools like Paper Sketches, yes, still works, Figma, Balsamiq, InVision, or even a simple demo video using Loom. Just show them how it would work. That's enough to start the conversation and get people excited. 2. Find early adopters. These are the customers who will take a chance early. They want an edge, and they're okay if the product isn't perfect yet. They'll give you feedback testimonials. And possibly your first revenue, treat them like partners. Give them access, a discount, early feature input, even a shout out on your website. Think of them as your founding 50, the believers who help shape your product. 3. Ask for advice, not sales. This is a mindset shift. If you ask for money, you'll get advice. But if you ask for advice, you'll often get money. Reach out like this. Hey, name. I'm building something new for industry. I'd love to get your advice on the prototype. You seem like someone who understands this space. Once they see the demo, they'll often say, "How do I get this?" That's your opening to explain the early access plan. Payment now, access in 30 to 90 days. Boom. Pre-sale locked. 4. Use one sales channel and go deep. Pick one method to convert prospects. Outbound calls, sell by DM chat webinars, partnerships or referrals, email sales sequences. Don't do all of them. Pick one, master it, and systematize it. Then use tools to scale. For DMs, tools like Revio. For sales, use Calendly plus Stripe or Close.io. This becomes your conversion machine, the thing that brings in cash before you've built anything. You've got pre-sales. People are ready. Now it's time to deliver. But don't build some over-engineered beast. So this is part 6. Just build your MVP. Here's how. You don't need to code. Use tools like Gumloop, Make, Go High Level, or even Airtable plus ChatGPT. They let you launch a real AI-powered tool in days. Need something custom? Use Cursor, Replit, or just let ChatGPT build out your functions step by step. Still stuck? Hire an AI developer, but only after you've sold. Start with a test task. Make sure they get your vision and give them the exact wireframes from your pitch. Part 7. Automate the delivery. You've built your product. Now you automate delivery, so it runs even while you sleep. Step 1. Automate payments. Use Stripe, Gumloop, or Webflow. Never chase money. Step 2. Account setup plus onboarding. Use Membership.io to auto-create logins, dashboards, and user journeys. Step 3. Client intake. Send them a type form or tally form. Done. No back and forth. Step 4. Support. Let AI handle it. Create a simple knowledge base and let GPT auto-respond to emails using that. You're now building a machine, not a job. Part 8. Get greedy. The smart way. At this point, most people ask, should I sell it? Should I scale it? Or build more? Here's the truth. Option 1. Sell quick exit. Fast cash. Great if you're tired or want to pivot. Option 2. Scale reinvest. Grow the thing that's already working. If you enjoy the space, stay and dominate it. Option 3. Stack use profits to build or buy more. AI tools in different industries. 1 becomes 5. 5 become a portfolio. This is how long-term wealth is built. Final words from Peach Fuzz Media. So here's the full blueprint. Pick the right AI-ready industry. Choose a high-margin business model. Sell to rich clients in boring markets. Craft an irresistible cash flow offer. Pre-sell before you build. Build an MVP using AI and no-code automate delivery. Get greedy. Scale or stack. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. And right now, there's a small window where speed beats experience. So take action, launch messy, build fast, and ride this wave before it crashes over you. This is Peach Fuzz Media. And if you want more step-by-step breakdowns like this, hit subscribe, drop a comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Let's go.